بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss a medicine called clomiphene citrate. It is an ovulation stimulant which comes in tabular form, which are taken orally in strength of 50 mg. There are different brands in different countries. Indication and posology is that it can be used in 3 courses. For women desiring pregnancy, in first course 50 mg OD for 5 days. If ovulation has not occurred, then after 30 days course 2 is initiated in 100 mg OD 5 days. If still ovulation has not occurred, then the third treatment course can be initiated. Safety and efficacy of clomiphene citrate for more than 6 treatment cycles has not been demonstrated in clinical trials. In case of administration, it is recommended not to crush the tablet and do not take more than 100 mg OD at a time. Start the second course after 30 days of gap. Most of the time ovulation occurs from 5 to 10 days. In this case, you have to consider the expected time of ovulation must coincide with the QTS. In case of patients where the pregnancy has not achieved after 3 ovulation responses, then treatment is normally not recommended further. The patient should have pregnancy test before starting the next cycle for therapy. In case of storage, this medication is stored at controlled room temperature. However, if we discuss the contraindication, it is contraindicated in those women having liver disease or unusual menstrual bleeding or ovarian cyst. Moreover, it is not recommended in women with menopause, men and children. In case of men, it causes gynecomastia and testicular tumors. Moreover, patients with uncontrolled thyroid or adrenal dysfunction, this is also not recommended. If we talk about pregnancy category and nursing mothers, this medication is not recommended in pregnant women. However, it is not known that this medication can be excreted in milk, so caution must be exercised while indicating this medication. If you miss the dose and it is almost the time for the next dose, skip the dose and follow your regular schedule. If we talk about side effects, then this medication causes overstimulation of ovary, as a result of which pain in the pelvis, stomach or calves, swallowing or feeling bloated or passing less urine, difficulty in breathing or increase in weight can occur. Moreover, other side effects are increased pain with periods and pain in lower part of the stomach, which can be the sign of endometriosis. Blurring or other visual symptoms occasionally may occur. Moreover, patient must be informed that there are chances of multiple pregnancies. If we talk about special population, then it is recommended that sensitivity to pituitary gonadotrophins, particularly in patients of polycystic ovary syndromes, dose must be decreased. However, if an overdose occurred, then it is not known this medication is dialysable or not, so supportive treatment is recommended. Overdose symptoms are nausea, vomiting, flushes, visual blurring. Thank you so much for watching.